Hey, John Mayfield with Global Real Estate School. I'm at a global congress. That's right. In Miami. I just spoke yesterday at the Miami Global Congress. I'm telling you what, this conference was off the chart. And I met a good friend, Kevin. And
Nice to meet you.
Kevin's he's from China, lives in
Australia,
but he's a developer. He found the conference literally through ChatGPT. But this is why you want to come to events like this. Kevin I'll let you tell our audience a little bit, but 26 years old and you're a developer or
not at this moment, but we are trying to do this. For us, what we're trying to do is we're trying to bring a prefab house, which is like a manufacturer, and because I really like it. Because for me, as 26, many friends who are around my age, we cannot pay for high rent. We cannot buy first home. It's very expensive, and then we come across this kind of things, prefab, and which basically is you pay really little money. You have your first home,
right.
And also you pay really low rent as well.
Very good.
Yeah.
Kevin, I was telling him that where I'm from in Missouri, the Airbnbs are very popular down in the woods of the country. I had a really cool place listed in south of Fredericktown, Missouri, that had a lake, and my wife and I both said, wouldn't it be beautiful if you could put these little Airbnbs around the lake? And Kevin's little modular units that he's developing, he's shown me the pictures, they're absolutely stunning. I'll put some with this blog post and video so you can see those, but literally I think this is a great idea. And now we were just talking about how housing prices are so high for so many people, and these are how many square feet?
It's like a 400 square meter up to 500, 600. We can all do it.
Yeah. So they're small. We looked last night at a condo here in Miami, 1.2 million, and I bet it only had 400 square feet.
Yeah, exactly.
It was very small, but it was location. But I'm going to have more information about what Kevin's doing, and it's just been really a pleasure meeting him. I was telling him about NAR Next at Houston.
Yep.
He got on the phone last night and bought a ticket, and he's on his way to Houston. So we're going to hang out there some too. But anyway, I wanted to introduce you all to Kevin.
All right, thanks. I really thank you, John.
Thank you.
I'm really happy to be here and also met you. I feel like as I'm young, I'm still many things to learn. This everything I'm keen to learning. That's how I got to know here. I feel really blessed to be here, and also when you do the presentation, you said use AI to do your tool. As a young man, I told you I literally how I find this conference just by AI.
Right.
And what you do, and you help people trying to find them to buy their home, whatever. That's really amazing. I think what we can do here is great potential, because many people, they really literally cannot to buy their first home, and also they pay really high expensive rent. That's huge problem at present moment. So what we do here is trying to fit their needs, because that's the demand's really high. So we just give what they needed. So today I have chat to many people, and John gave me really good feedback, and we can slowly build up. We just start small, but we're trying to build more and trying to find really deliver to what people needs are. We're not just deliver to really crappy stuff. We're really looking to give really affordable products, and also really good home, and just for someone who whatever can afford it.
Yeah.
My goal is to make American home affordable again.
Good. Thank you so much.
Thanks, John. Thanks.
It's been great to be here. And if you're watching this and you're thinking about, maybe I'd like to get my real estate license, these are the kinds of opportunities that await for you. We watched a luxury panel today of top ultra luxury real estate professionals, and I'm telling you what, it was a master class on how to sell ultra luxury real estate. The event's been great. I want to show you real quickly.
Yeah, please do. This is very beautiful.
There we go.
Yeah.
So now there, I got it. There we go. So you can see the view back there from behind me, and really just a gorgeous view. So I'll show you a little bit inside here.
Yeah.
I'm going to turn this around, and we will go inside for just a second. You'll be able to see what's going on.
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Welcome to the land of sun and sand. Deals get hotter, shake your hand. Miami nights, they never end. When the skyline kisses the ocean bend. Feel the rhythm, feel the drive. This city's alive. Alive, alive. Miami is the move. Oh yeah, it's the vibe. The best in the game when networks collide. From global buyers to the local groove. Miami's the place. Miami is the move. Cafecito mornings, beachside views. Deals go down with Latin hues. Salsa spinning, nightlife bright. From Little Havana to neon lights. Woo! Taste the culture, feel the beat. Every corner's a global street. Miami is the move. Oh yeah, it's the vibe. The best in the game when networks collide. From global buyers to the local groove. Miami's the place. Miami is the move. Miami is the move. Whoa, yeah. Welcome to the land of sun and sand. Deals get hotter, shake your hand. Miami nights, they never end. Where the skyline kisses the ocean bend. Feel the rhythm, feel the drive. This city's alive, alive, alive. Miami is the move. Oh yeah, it's the vibe, the best in the game. When networks collide, from global buyers to the local groove. Miami's the place. Miami's the move. Cafecito mornings,